So this is our PC board. PC stands for printed circuit. So if you see the letters PCB, you notice that stands for printed circuit board. And our first component we're going to work with is an LED. This is has a clear plastic on it, but it's actually going to light up, and it's called an RGB LED, red, green, blue. So there's two legs on it. This leg on this side is the positive side. These are polarized. This will only light up if electricity goes through one direction. So that side right there, that long side, is important. And you can see there's a plus on our printed circuit board. So we're going to line that up with our long lead, push that all the way through the board. And I want to see this first solder that you do to approve your solder. But once that's done, and you've shown me that you can solder that joint right there, you're going to do all of these all the way across, and even this one right here, down here in this corner. Okay, so go do that. Find me or Mr. O'Gorman, and we'll get on to the next component.